Well, started mining here again. Getting some pretty good stuff there. But as we get over here, we got clay. You can tell underneath the sand. So we can only get about a foot up there. I'm getting 4 or 5 feet out of there. So this will fill with water now, but we're getting some good sand. I got it all piled up here, around here. Well, looks like Nick's got stuck here. I dug some stumps out there last night, and looks like he put the side of the skid steer right into the stump hole. So I'm getting over here to try and pull him out. Shouldn't be too hard, but he's pretty much buried in there and needs a tug. Yeah, not real good. I should have told him. I actually was thinking about that, telling him, watch out, there's a sinkhole right there. So let's see if we can get him out. Hey. Uh-oh. Well, I got him out, but I couldn't video and get him out because I needed 2 hands to do it. But anyway, it was buried pretty good. Well, we're digging it out, getting rid of all this dirt, bringing the sand up. Water's already flooded back in there. That didn't take long. Nick's busy here, scooping up all the dirt.